Hey everyone, hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. Before we get started, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, comment as much as you can, and of course, please watch the entire video. Now, I've been watching Bitcoin here for the last couple hours, and it has been very, very interesting. We did bounce off of support, so we came all the way back down to that support level. Then we had a pretty decent bounce. Not a crazy bounce, just a good one where we started, like we said, hey, we're too close to the bottom. Let's start moving back up. Buyers came back in, and that's what I like to see. Overall, Bitcoin is still flat, and this opens up a few different opportunities for us. But before that, I want you guys to understand, I'm still of the viewpoint that I think we have to drop back down below $50,000 and then I want to buy around there. The only way I'm really going to go into Bitcoin for a day trade or something like that is if we have a breakout maybe on something more like the 1 hour or the 4 hour charts. And even then I might not be holding that for a whole huge rally or something like that, just because I'm expecting us to come down just a little bit more, and I'm going to stick to that for a while until I'm either proven wrong or proven right. We'll definitely have to see. However, because Bitcoin is still going sideways, that opens up the door for a little bit more altcoin trading. Now, if you look at Bitcoin, it seems like we want to go down. That drop should have an impact on altcoins. But either way, right now, since Bitcoin's still going sideways, I'm still going to be looking at a lot of day trading with altcoins. But swing trading, I might be waiting a little bit more before I try to pop in for a altcoin swing trade here, especially because a lot of them have not been breaking out of some of these longer trends, unless it's been in maybe a certain sector that's really been popping off. And that one is, at this point, it's going to be AI. I think Ajax is up another 15-20% today. It's going parabolic. The trades we've been doing on it, they're just printing money at this point. However, because they've gone up so much, this is only going to be a day trading play. Whenever Bitcoin decides to have a larger move down, whether it's a couple days or a few weeks, that's what I'm going to be loading up on a lot more AI tokens, just because, to be frank, I think they're going to be like the next metaverse, a mix of metaverse and meme tokens here, because everybody loves AI. Every single, quarter we have some type of new AI announcement, and that can really propel everything forward. The downside is maybe Nvidia starts to have bad earnings reports, and that could drag some of them down. But at the end of the day, there's going to be so much money around AI, all the new AI products. You're going to see a lot of tokens popping up. And if you're lucky, you may be able to find new tokens every now and again that are just being created now. Going to be a lot higher risk, that's for sure. But you're going to have a lot of sympathy tokens being made once people see that, oh, wow, Ajax is going up, RNDR is going up, GRT is going up, all these types of AI tokens, Fetch AI, there's going to be a lot of copycats, and those copycats are going to be opportunities. I will just say they're going to be a much higher risk. Let's just say that. Now, a few things going on today as far as news. I didn't really see too much besides me. The market's kind of going a little more sideways. It looks like Trump came out with sneakers, which I thought was pretty hilarious. I just put out a short about that, especially what the Fox News said. And let me go over here very fast. I just wanted to make sure. Yeah, one thing here that I wanted to talk about. Uniswap jumped 60% on proposal to reward token holders a major governance overhaul. When I see stuff like this, I sell. It's not like they're going to go kaput or something like that. They're up 60%. However, when I see abnormal jumps like this, they will usually crash back down when stuff like a Uniswap or something like that, in type of swapping platform, basically. I'm gonna sell like 90% of it, get rid of it, and see what happens later on. But that type of easy profit is something that I just take full advantage of, and then I'm getting out of here very, very quickly. And then the last thing here, as far as news is concerned, is let me show you guys. Well, I'm not going to show it to you, but basically, we're seeing that a lot of companies are still having some issues with having good earnings, but it's not related to tech. So as long as tech keeps on going, I think as a whole, we're going to be fine. I saw Discovery actually had some really bad earnings today, and Block has surged 19% after company announces a surprise profit. That's not too bad here. So there's a lot of money sloshing around. You're seeing a lot of, I don't know what you want to call it, hype still around the Nvidia play. However, still pay attention to the technicals because they do matter. At this point, though, anything outside of AI is going to be a little bit better buying opportunities than AI and tech, because the tech, it's just so overvalued, it's so expensive relative to how much they're actually earning, that I'm mostly scaling out at this, just like the billionaires are scaling out. I'm scaling out. That's where I feel right now. Hope you guys all have a great rest of your day, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks.